Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the 4-figure and 6-figure grid in a topographical sheet. So, as you all know, in your topographic map, you may see columns like this. These are known as, we studied last video, these are grids, okay, grid reference. So, we are going to study about how we are locating a place or an image given on a map. It's 4-figure and 6-figure reference you are supposed to find out in the exam. So, you can see these are the vertical lines, these are the horizontal lines. Last video I have taught you these all those things. So you can see that here it is bolded like these two lines. See here. First of all, for measuring or to find out the 4-figure or 6-figure grid, we are supposed to know the eastings and northings. You can see vertical lines like this. They are known as eastings. That means here they are numbered from east to west. So you can see here the numbers also. See here. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So each eastings are numbered from west to east, so that they are known as eastings. Then you can see here the horizontal lines. See here, these are northings. See here, these are northings. So these northings are numbered from south to north. So the number may increase. See, the number is increasing. Here the number is increasing from west to east. Here the number is increasing from south to north. So that is why they are known as northings. So you can see that northings are parallel lines. See, these are parallel lines. These are northings. Why they are known as northings means they are numbered from south to north. Now, these are eastings. The vertical lines are eastings. Why they are known as eastings means they are numbered from west to east. That is why they are known as eastings. So, this is the definition for eastings and north. The vertical lines up and down are called eastings. Their values increase towards the east. So, you can see here from west to east their values are increasing. That means here 25, next northing is 25, next 27, eastings, next 27, next 28, next 29. So they are these vertical lines which are known as eastings. Now next is the horizontal lines across are called northings. The horizontal lines you can see, these are the horizontal lines, 1, 2, then 3, then here. You can see horizontal lines. So they are, their values increase towards the north. So they number like this. See here, 16. This line or this horizontal line, this northing is 16. This northing is 17. This northing is 18. This northing is 19. And this northing is 20. So the vertical lines are eastings. The vertical lines are eastings. See, these are the vertical lines, eastings. And the horizontal lines are northing. Okay. Next, again the same for your reference, for making your learning easy. I have created one more slide for your, see, you can see the same like, see, for example, these are these things. See here numbers, you can see here, the number goes from south to north, you can see. So these are the vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, including this 10, you can see that. So these are northings. Now, the numbers, see here, 1, see this horizontal lines, you can count, see all those. So these numbers, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 9 eastings and how many are there? 9 northings also. Understood? Next step. See, this is for finding out this. Now we have to find out the reference of 4-figure and now 4-figure, not 6-figure. Now we are doing only 4-figure. 4-figure grid reference let you find a whole square. Also read from the bottom left hand corner of a square. Match ABCD to the correct grid reference. See here, you can see 0, 1, 50. So this is C. So for C, the 4-figure grid is 0, 1. Okay. So these are the first, second, third eastings. Now this is the first, second, third northings. Okay. Now 0, 1, 5, 0. 0, 1, 5, 0. 0, 1, 5, 0. For C, 0, 1, 5, 0 is the 4-figure grid of C. That means it lies on northing 0, 1 and easting 5, 0. Got it? Northing 0, 1 and easting 5, 0. Next 0, 2, 5, 0. So 0, 2, this is the easting and this is the 5, 0. This is the 0, 2, 5, 0 for B. Got it? Then 0, 1, 5, 1 and 0, 2, 0, 1, 5, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1. That is for D, and 0, 2, 5, 1 for A. Along the corridor and up the stairs. See, this one, it is very easy. For C, first we start from D. D means the northing 5, 1 and the easting 0, 1. Okay. So easting 0, 1 and northing 5, 1. Okay. Next is, let us work out the grid reference of the gray square by reading eastings before northings. See, this is the gray square. So this is, how can you read or how can you find out its 4-figure grid? You can see this gray square lies in the easting 32 and the northing 46. You can see this line. This is the northing 46 and this is the easting 32. So first always we will take the less number. See, that is 32, or easting always comes first. Okay, then only we will take the northing. So easting we have to count first. That means this vertical line 1, 2, 3. This vertical line. So vertical lines or the eastings we will count first. Then the northing. So 3, 2 will come first, and next we are adding northing. Okay. So that grid, 4-figure grid is, that means in this 4 digit will be there. It is 3, 2, 4, 6. Next, to calculate the grid reference for this point, see here a little more advanced form of grid reference given here. You can see that here a red square. For we are supposed to find out its grid, 4-figure grid reference. It's very easy. You can see here it is in the northing. It is in the northing 54 and the easting 60. So first we will count which one? We will count first the easting, that means 60. Then the northing, that is 54. So its grid reference is 6054. Okay, like that you can go in anywhere in any of this column. You can, any of this column you can make one point or some symbol you can draw and you can find out like this. Okay, so first of all we have to see that the eastings we have to write first, and next is the northings. Okay, so easting is 60 and northing is 54. So 6054 is the 4-figure grid. Next, recap learning from last lesson by giving the 4-figure grid reference for this. Now I have created like this. Each column I have made a number and some symbols. Now you are supposed to find out its 4-figure grids. Like first one is 2. So 2 how you will what is the 4-figure grid of 2 in this column? First we have to see its northing. Which is the northing? Which is the northing? Sorry. It is which is that easting? We are supposed to find out the easting. Easting is 8 2. You can see here 8 2, and the northing is 1 7. So for 2 it is 8 2 1 7. Now this symbol, a phone, telephone. So it is in 8 3. 8 3 easting, and the northing is 1 7. Okay, so 8 3 easting and 1 7 northing. So what is the 4-figure grid? 8 3 1 7. Like that you are supposed to find out each one, each symbol or number, and it is, what do you find out at A? 8116. 8116. Yeah, this is the church. 8317. 8317. It's a telephone. Next, give the grid reference for site of battle. This is site of battle. Okay, so it is 8414. Then nature reserve. Nature reserve. Nature reserve. This one. That is 8516. Which symbol have you not identified? You did not identify a symbol or any column which is not having symbol or P. This you know what is this? You find out. So which you cannot identify also they are asking, that is 8214. Okay. So this is the way you are supposed to find out. Now 4-figure grid, now you understood. Now little more advanced, that is 6-figure grid. It's also very easy. Find the 4-figure grid reference of Lake Cedric. So Lake Cedric, you can see here. See the column, yellowish in color, it's made yellowish. This point is lake. Okay. So this is the point where you are supposed to count the 6-figure grid. So how to do this? See how coming here you can understand 6-figure grid. So here 6-figure grid. See, this is a column. You know that in every map this column is 2 centimeter. From here to here is 2 centimeter. Here to here is 2 centimeter, and here to here is 2 centimeter. Here to here is 2 centimeter. So what you are supposed to do is you take your scale, and when you take your scale, you can see that in your scale there are millimeters and centimeters. Take that part. So see here from here to here how this 2 centimeter. So its half is 1 centimeter. You know very well. So you have to mark that millimeter numbers, lines like this. Okay. So you will get 9 like this. 1 2 3 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This one is considered as 2 lines. 2 lines you have to take like this. 2 lines. Okay, so 2 lines. No, that means each millimeter, if you take 2 millimeter line, should be considered as 1. Okay, so 2 millimeter line. So from here to here, 2 millimeter line will be there. So that we have done like this. From here to here, also like that. So 2 millimeters line you have to take like this, and then you have to see here. The 6-figure grid of this column or this one. Okay, this symbol. You can see that this. For first we have to write 4-figure grid. That means its 4-figure grid is 1943. Okay, 1943. Now, when we write the first digit 19, then when you find out 6-figure grid, after the first digit or after the 4-figure first 2 4-figure, that is 19, you have to write the third digit as the sixth figure. So here you can see, first we are supposed to take the northing. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 9, 6. Then again the four figure grid, that is 4, 3. So 1, 9, 6, 4, 3, again 8. See here, this is the six figure grid, 8. Understood? That means, once again I will explain, when you calculate six figure grid or you find out six figure grid, first you have to see that the symbol or whatever place or location you have got, you have to see first the four figure grid. That means four figure grid is 1943. Now after writing 19, you have to keep a space for the third digit. The third digit indicates the first digit of the six figure grid. That means it will come like this. I told how to measure it. Take 2 millimeter point as 1, and like this you have to take your scale and mark like this, and see the sixth point is coming towards the object. So the third digit here you have to write as the sixth digit, is first digit. Then the second one here in the eastings, you have to see that which you are getting the correct point here, that is that number as the last. Okay, so 196438 is the sixth grid reference of this object or this location. See here, let us take 216322 as an example. The first three figures refer to the easting of the point. See, first three figures refer to the easting of the point or the distance along the map. See here, you can see the 2, 1, 6. 6 also easting. Okay, so first three always you have to think these three digits are eastings. Now 3, 2, here you can see the northing. Okay, so northing you have to take last three digits as the north. Understood? So easting, this line. Okay, so first whatever you are taking easting, you have to do like this. Okay, while the second three figures refer to the northing of the point or the sea. First three figures refer to the easting and the second three figures refer to the northing. Okay, so northing you have to find out in that way, and easting you have to, so first three you have to find out, you have to take as easting. Okay, so easting and northing. See, I told how to count this one. Now to work out the six figure grid reference, first to go along the bottom line and calculate the first three figures. Next, work out the last three figures by going up the side of the square. See here, this is again, it's very easy. See here, this point. Okay, this is a church. Okay, so how to find out the six figure grid of the church? How? See here, it is in the easting. These are the easting, third easting. It is in the third easting, correct? So this is the six figure grid. This is one big column. Okay, you can see this is a 2 centimeter column. It is shown in big. Okay, big scale. See, so from here to here it is 2 centimeter. So we are taking, see, 2 millimeter point as 1. Okay, so here you can see the easting, which is the easting, this one, 1, 2, 3. See here, 1, 2, 3. Easting is 77. See, 77 easting. It lies in easting 77. And now we are going to count six figure. Four figure is 77, 2, 5. See, 2, 5. 77, 2, 5. Now, six figure grid. See, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? So, 77, 3, then 2, 5, 3. Again here also it is coming as 3. 2, 5 this one. Understood? 2, 5, 3. So this is the way we are supposed to find out. So I had already told this distance is equal to, from here to here is equal to 2 millimeter point. You have to take as 1. Again 2 millimeter point you have to take as 1. Again 2 millimeter point you have to take as 1. Got it? So with the scale you have to mark, and when which line, millimeter line, is coming to the straight to the object or a place or an image, there you have to keep like this. And then so first 3 digits you have to see, first 3 digits look, you have to find out the northings like this, and the second is to the eastings, and second is to the northings. Got it? Now let us find the 6-figure grid reference for the church on the map below. See again a church. Now how to find it out? This is for 6-figure. 4-figure, how to find out? How find it out? It is in the easting 22. Correct? It is in the easting 22 and northing 31. See here. This is the northing. This is the easting 31. Now that is a 4-figure grid. Now you have to see the 6-figure grid. So you have to find out, you have to calculate with the millimeter like this. See, if you imagine that square divided into 10 parts, the church is 2 tenths further east and 2 tenths further north. That means you can, easiest way is you can take your scale and you can make that. I told how to make it millimeter points. You can see here 2 millimeter point you will get here, and you can see the next 2 you will get here. Okay, so that the 6-figure grid is 2, 2. Then again here it will come very near to 2 here. Then 2, 2, 2 and 3, 1. Again, if you count here 1, 2, it will get here. Okay, so that this will be, this 6-figure grid figure will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now again some exercise I have given here. This you are supposed to find out by your own. You can see here A. Where is A? Yeah, you have to find out A. 6-figure grid of A. How to find out? It is in the northing 34 and the easting 34. See here you can see 34. See, northing 34 and the easting 30. Easting is not, yeah, easting is here 40. So here how you will do? 14. First we have to take the easting. So 14. Then where is it? 14, 34. Correct? 14. Yeah. Sorry. It is in 13, 34. 13, 34. So then 6-figure grid you have to count like this. See here. 1, 2, 3 like that. You have to measure the scale and you have to find out. Okay. 6-figure. So like that B will be coming here. So you have to find out that in that same way. And this is an exercise for you. You have to solve. See, this I have given. I have explained everything, and you have to find out this. And you can make your own notebook. I have told, and you have to find out this and write in your notebook. Now, see the same like one more. Where is this grid square? 0, 9, 0, 8. You can see that 7, 8, 0, 9. Here 0, 9 you can see. And 0, 8. Where is 0, 8? See, you can see here 0, 8. So northing and easting. Now 0, 9, 0, 8. So what you can find out, these symbols where you can find out, you have to write in these points, in these columns. Okay. So everything, this is another one which you are supposed to find out. You have to see that where frog is, where flower is, all 4-figure grid and 6-figure grid you are supposed to write here. flower, penguin, pigeon, lobster, Christmas tree, treble leaf, desert island, then recycling, pumpkin. So everything you are supposed to write is 4-figure and 6-figure, and make a note in your notebook. Okay. So this is a small video for understanding 6-figure and 4-figure grade. Okay. So I hope you all understood how to find it out. Okay. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.